probably remember Raghav from the cookie video. And this guy is new, Kushbaz. Rasmalai is very tasty. It's like really juicy and creamy.
These kids just love rasmalai. In English, it can be translated to ricotta dumplings in cream. Here's my recipe for rasmalai. This is a cheats recipe, so I'm using rasgullas commercially available in an Indian store or a supermarket. Take a couple of bowls, empty out the can of rasgullas in one of them. Now gently squeeze these wonderfully sweet rasgullas and place them in another bowl. Be gentle as you're doing this process. Do not rush. And if you feel bored, just eat a couple of rasgullas. Discard the syrup and keep aside the rasgullas. In a medium pan, add some milk, some thickened cream, crush some cardamom pods in it, few strands of saffron, add some sugar. On a medium flame, heat it all up. Add in the nuts. And bring the sauce to a boil. Cook on a medium flame till the sauce thickens. And now add in those soft, wonderful ricotta balls or rasgullas. Dunk them gently into the sauce and bring it to a boil on a medium heat. Cook it until the rasgullas are fully saturated. Cut the heat and allow it to cool. And scrape the sides and just put in that clotted cream back into the sauce. Allow it to cool. Add in the rose water. Let it chill because that's when it tastes the best. Garnish it with some dry rose petals and pistachios and enjoy it with your family and friends. I hope you liked this recipe. Do let me know in the comments and do subscribe to my channel. Ciao.